I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I've just gotten a new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 smartphone. This sleek new phone has a lot of great features, but especially for new users, they might not seem very intuitive. So I'm here to show you how to do it. In this video, we're going to check out how to use the new portrait video feature, which is officially called Live Focus Video. An early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, since it does help me keep making more videos. If you want to check out some of the other Samsung Galaxy Note 10 videos, including the full review, they are here on the channel. There's a new feature on the Note 10 here that lets you blur the background and add a bokeh effect to your videos now. It's technically called Live Focus Video, and here's how to use it. To take a live focus video, open the camera app and swipe to Live Focus Video along the bottom of the photo window. You can adjust the blur as you like using the slider bar that you'll see pop up, shifting the look of the backdrop of the video as you shoot. There are also filters with live focus or portrait video that let you put yourself in color and add a more monochrome black and white effect to the background. That's called color point, and that's just one of the options. So that's how to use the new portrait video or live focus video. If you want to read more Samsung Note 10 tips and tricks or reviews, head over to TechGadgetsCanada.com where we've got them posted. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give me a sub, since your support does help me keep making even more videos here on YouTube. I'm Erin. You can catch me at ErinLYYC on Twitter or Instagram until the next video. You can also follow me at Facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.